Today we are trying to install the abalone binding material. So this is real natural shell that's been sliced out, and it's very precisely milled to thickness, and it came that way when I bought it. And then I have a rubber strip that is the exact same thickness. Yesterday when I glued up the binding and the purflings, I put in a rubber strip that I will pull out, and that leaves me a gap to put my mother of pearl in. Come in close here. So here's the binding, purfling 1, rubber strip, and purfling 2. So what I'll do is I'll use this dental instrument and I'll pull up on the rubber strip because the glue, none of the glues would stick to it. And I can pull this rubber strip out, and that leaves me a beautifully clean channel to put my abalone binding in. The red side goes down, and I nudge it against that one, and I use my thumb to push it down in. And as I work along, if you listen very carefully, you can hear the binding break as I push it in. And then I take this maple rod and I roll it back to seat it down in. The pencil mark tells me where to stop, so I don't roll over the super glue from 5 minutes ago. And I grab another strip, red side down. Make sure I got it red side down. Come in and push it against there. Hear the little snaps? Those are all little breaks in the binding, and I'm breaking it to go around the curve. And then I roll it out. Now I take ultra thin super glue. I know to start right here at my pencil mark. And I run a bead of super glue. This is ultra thin, and it uses capillary action to soak down in and bind all this together. And I'm doing each of the laminations. Last one. That's it. And we just did 5 inches of binding. Thank you for watching.